Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to shoot this lovely girl, Taylor, my friend, and I want to show you the difference between the Sony 55mm f1.8, it's a $900 lens, expensive lens, and the Kamlan 50mm f1.1. So I've got this little girl here for about 5 minutes. Just want to do some simple shots, wide open on both, just so you can see the difference and maybe decide for yourself which one is right for you. And you have to say don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
And don't forget to subscribe to his channel.
Hold on.
Oh.
Now.
Oh, now?
Yeah, now.
And don't forget to subscribe to his channel.
And hit the like button.
And hit the like button.
And leave me a comment.
And leave him a comment.
That's right.
So here they are. I'm not going to tell you which one is which. I'm just going to put lens 1 and lens 2 and tell you at the end so you can judge for yourself. And I did a mini poll with my friends around and they all like the Sony one better, even though I think the Kamlan renders the background a lot better. You know, it's creamier, but I'll let you be the judge. And here they are side by side. There is something about the Sony lens that, you know, is just crispier, and I think that's what people like. They look right away rather than looking at the background. But personally, I do like the rendering of the Kamlan better. Yeah, the background is just smoother, it is pleasing to the eye. So here they are, the lens 1 was the Sony and the lens 2 was the Kamlan. And I did some simple editing on those ones just so you can see, you know, added some sharpness, and they look great.
And just for the heck of it, Ilan, right here, my friend, is going to shoot me with his A7R2, so full frame, and sorry, but Ilan's going to shoot me with a full frame. I know the lens, the Kamlan, is not a full frame camera, it's not a full frame lens, sorry, but I know that it does work with some vignetting, so let's just see how it looks with the full frame.
And here they are on the full frame. The Kamlan is the first one and the Sony the second one. And funny enough, on this one a lot of people liked the Kamlan better, even though the background is a lot more busy. You can see the bokeh is just a bit distracting for me, and but people liked it a lot. And here's what it looks like without the cropping. I had to crop the Kamlan because it's not a full frame lens.
Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope that you learned something from this. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and comment if you enjoyed this video, and let me know what you think in the comments below. And Taylor, what is your Instagram account?
It's T-Mex.
T-Mex or T-Max?
Mex.
Mex.
T-M-E-X.
Okay, I'm going to put the link down below, and follow her, she's a cool gal, and I'll see you guys in the next one.